So today's makeup is going to be a brown liner, smoky eye, glitter smoky eye. I don't know what I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it later, of course. So actually the haircut I got, the makeup I've done in this video looks good with that haircut. So like stay tuned for the haircut. It'll be in the end, or probably I will post that as my thumbnail. But yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. Let's start off with the moisturizer, of course, and I'm gonna use this one. It's the Face Shop moisturizer. I guess this is the pomegranate one. Yeah, it's that one. So I'm gonna use this. For the primer, again I'm going to use two primers for two different reasons. One for pore filling, or just to like smoothen out my base, and one for sweat control. Matte one is for sweat control, the Maybelline Master Prime primer. This one, it's the mattifying primer. Mattifying primer actually controls your sweat, and this is just for the smooth base. First, the Maybelline one, I'm going to use it on my mouth area. I tend to get sweaty a lot in this area. I'm just gonna use it here. Okay, and the Nykaa one, just here, a little bit here, just for the base, smooth base. Before moving on to the foundation, I'm gonna contour my face first, because it's just my thing. I contour my face before I move on to the foundation, because usually I mess up when I contour after using my foundation, because contouring is okay. So for contouring, I'm using this concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast, and I'm gonna just put it right here. I don't do heavy contouring, just for the structure and stuff. Now for the brush, I'm using this one. It's the Wet n Wild P50 brush, and it's basically a contour brush. So I'm just taking from here, and I'm just going like upwards. So later on I'm gonna add a liquid blush, and it's all gonna melt together and blend together and gonna look cohesive. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using my favorite foundation stick. It's from Sugar, and it's in the shade 10 Latte or 01 Latte. No, it's 10 Latte. I'm just gonna put some stripes on my face. This foundation looks very natural. Every stick foundation looks natural. So just this much. To blend it, I'm gonna use this sponge. It's from Calabar, and of course it's my next favorite sponge, because it's cheap and it's good and it works. I'm gonna use the concealer, and I'm gonna again use two concealers. You know the deal, the ritual of using one shade which is similar to your skin tone and one shade which is lighter, because using a lighter concealer actually enhances your makeup. So for my skin tone concealer, I'm going to use this one. It's the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. Yeah, it's in the shade Medium. And for brightening up, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. It's very, very, very light, so doesn't matter. I'm going to use a tinted powder, so it will balance it out. Now for my concealer brush, I'm going to use this one. It's the PAC 272 concealer brush. gonna let my concealer sit there for a while because concealer sets well when it's left for some time. Yeah. Okay, now for my blush, for my liquid blush, I'm gonna use this one. It's the Nykaa Lip and Cheek color in the shade, I guess, Henna. Yeah, 04 Henna. So I'm just gonna put a lot of it on my cheeks. Okay, when you use liquid products all together now, they blend nicely and they don't create any kind of, like powder patch kind of a stuff, if you understand what I mean. Like, they don't create a awkward patches or stuff like that. So yeah, blending liquid stuff all together makes your makeup look more natural, more cute and more beautiful. Okay, now for my face powder, to set my face, I'm gonna use this powder which is from Sugar. It's the translucent powder, and I'm gonna use this jumbo brush from Nykaa. It's their, I guess, face brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and I'm lightly gonna dust off all over my face. And this powder doesn't leave any kind of white cast on your face. As you can see, the blush looks more natural and more within kind of a glow compared to when you layer the product afterwards. Of course, you can layer with powder products more, but this looks more natural and within kind of a glow when done with this technique. So yeah. Okay, now for my under eyes, I'm gonna use this powder. It's from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light. I'm gonna use it on my under eyes and on my like smile lines to fix everything up. So I got a new haircut, so basically I have to change my makeup too for some time. Yeah, so for my brows, I'm gonna use a pomade today because the haircut which I got actually hides away my eyebrow. So of course I have to make it look more prominent. So I have to change my brow game a little. For that, for my brow pomade, I'm going to use this Benefit brow pomade in the shade 6. I'm going to use the same brush which comes with the pomade itself. I'm just going to just gonna brush and make everything look more normal because it's not looking normal right now. I'm just gonna make it look normal. The thing is that this eye is gonna look a little more darker compared to this eye because of the lighting and stuff. It's not my fault. So now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use this not eyebrow pencil, this liner, Maybelline tattoo liner in the shade brown, I guess. It's in the color brown. So yeah, this one on my not waterline, what this is called, upper lash line, and on the waterline, not waterline, on the outer corner of like this. Just follow me up. Take any of your smudger brush which you are comfortable with. Mine is this one. It's a little bit angular brush from Zoeva. It's actually a brow line brush. It's 332 brow line brush. That's what it's called. But I'm now gonna like smudge it. you can see, it's a little bit of a like smudged wing, like connected to your bottom lash line. So it goes like something like this. Not like, it's okay if it's smudged and it's okay if it's not perfect, because that's a motto. So yeah. So this makeup is actually I saw on like Hande Archal, what we call it, like the, you know, the serial Ask Laftan Almaz, the girl who plays Hayat, very cute, very beautiful. So it's her new serial which is called like Sal Kapi something kind of a thing. So this season has a season. This TV show has a season 2 also, in which she has this like curly this cut, and she's wearing a liner, or I just like recreated it, but in a different, very very different way, in like in my own way, and I like that makeup so much. I love her so much, so that's what I did. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take, for my lid, I'm gonna take this shade which is called like the retrograde shade. Yeah, retrograde shade, this one. I'm gonna like put it all over my lid with my like ring finger. Now after this, I'm gonna take the shade Musk. You can use any palette. I'm just having this and I'm just loving the shade, so I'm using this one. And I'm taking this brush. It's a Zoeva brush. It's the soft definer brush. It's just a useless brush. So I'm just gonna like take this shade Musk, and I'm gonna put it all over that glitter shade to, you know, make the shade more neutralize, if that makes sense. So very lightly, like you don't have to go crazy, very 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 light hand. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say now back to the liner again, just make it a little bit more prominent. So I'm just gonna like make it a little more darker. That's it. Now I'm gonna do my other eye of the camera, and I'll be right back. Our eyes are done, and we do the mascara in the end or at the end, because that's how it's done here. It's a ritual, it's a process, it's a feeling. So okay, now for my inner corners, I'm gonna take this palette. It's the Sugar palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I'm gonna use this highlighting shade with my on my this Nykaa eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just gonna dust off the excess, and I'm gonna do my inner corner highlighting in a, like, you know, rotating motion, so it's even out and it's not like एक बिंदु highlight का, so it looks good and looks good. Now for my face, I'm gonna use the same palette because it's my favorite palette. I'm gonna use this brush. This is the Wet n Wild P53 brush. It's a very beautiful dragon like kind of a brush. It's basically for your contouring. So I'm gonna use this shade. It's my favorite bronzer, and I love this. I'm just gonna lightly, you know, warm up my face. For the blush, I'm going to use the same palette again. Blush is very good too. This blush, and this brush is a nameless brush from Amazon. This blush is very natural looking, and very, even though it's a powder brush, it's a blush. It's a very skin like finish, and it's beautiful. Highlighter भी same ही palette, like कौन जाके इतने सारे products बदले. So for the brush, again a nameless brush from Amazon. It's a little bit angular. This works for me, like this brush in general works for me, so I just use it in a circular motion. I use like on the tip of my nose, and I don't go like this. I use on my tip of my nose, and then I leave it till here, and then I just highlight over here. So what highlighting over, like between your on your, like on your unibrow area, does that it like separates your eye. That's what I've seen, and that's what like it actually does is, so I just like do on my butt of my nose, and then I'll just leave it here like itta area, and then I just go on this area. After everything is done, it is well said that go with your blender again and just make everything look more subtle, more normal, and more blended. So now for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this one. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter. I love this shade. It's almost over, and it's a very beautiful shade. Set my face now, and I'm gonna do my mascara later, because once, if the mascara is not waterproof, it'll leave you know the mascara spots near your eye area, or and then you have an extra work to do. So I just first set my face, and then I just do my mascara. So I'm using this pack micro finish makeup fixing spray, and its aerosol is actually very good, so I love it. Okay, now for my mascara, I'm using this one. It's the Flower Beauty mascara, and it's my recent purchase. I got this in the Nykaa summer sale, something super saver summer sale, or I have the haul. So if you want to check that out, you can of course check that out. And it's a very, it's my like right now absolute favorite mascara. I'm using only this one, and before using mascara, I actually curl my lashes. So this is my eyelash curler. It's from Shein, and it's out. Shein is of course like shut down right now, so you can use any eyelash curler. This is actually my haircut. First thing first, I have to like manage it, because this looks jungly right now. But yeah, this is my haircut, so I'm just gonna like put my hair back for now, because this looks more neat and decent. So because it's too much of sweat now, so the hair style is not coming right now. Not coming in the sense like I have to manage it. It's a deal. Okay, so this is the final makeup look, and I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and see you guys next time. Until then, bye.